Hello everybody, happy Saturday. I hope you all are doing well. I just wanted to take a moment to read this text that I wrote back in November 2020 that I hope you enjoy. And if you do, please like, comment, and share. I'm gonna go ahead and read it. So, the best fit. A long time ago, fear and ignorance got married. Their attachment grew and their truth was buried. It's about time we expand. We each could use an extra friend. Being parents could be the end of these feelings of dread and play pretend. But ignorance couldn't have known, and fear was scared to be alone. They had no clue what to do. And one day life sent a gift to these two. They got blessed with the best fit, twins to raise and train to split. Anger and guilt are now their new friends. Their fight is strong and rarely ends. When anger raged, guilt got stronger. When guilt felt sorry, anger got louder. That was the endless game of the best fit. Their drama made the household commit. When guilt and anger went to school, they started learning about what's cool. They made friends with different people. Resentment, disgrace, sadness, and shame. At first, they all seemed distinct, but ended up all being the same. Until one day, they met with a girl and a boy. One named Love and the other Joy. They knew right away that it would be hard to match. All they could see is a lot of work and much to patch. But their curiosity showed them the way for a more peaceful game to play. Thanks to these two people, they met up with honesty, wisdom, and acceptance. They kept expanding their circle and got closer to their depth and vibrance. Space was held for them to heal. To shed and grow was no big deal. Their parents noticed that they changed. They felt lost, abandoned, and estranged. One way or another, we have to stick to the old way. We have to remind the twins how mom and dad play. No matter what fear and ignorance tried, the twins have transformed and continued to stride. Anger grew into forgiveness. Guilt grew into gladness. Today, the two travel around the world, spreading the words they once learned. From love and joy, they're best friends and teachers that will remind them forever of what truly matters. Thank you for listening. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.